And sometimes what happens is that we do something, and later people's perception makes you understand that, oh, this is how the world comprehended it, and they're really
Hmm.
surprised about it. Did that happen with you in Dhanvant?
Well, I did get some messages, wherein people said ki Dhanwant looks so stoic and so calm and composed and has this wall built around her that you can't enter that wall. You cannot break in and get into her personal space. And if Garundi manages to ask a few questions, it just feels ki oh, ये तो गड़बड़ हो गई यहाँ पे entry नहीं करनी चाहिए थी, because she doesn't answer those personal questions. She's pretty personal about her life. But then, of course, the show evolves, the characters evolve, and then we both, have this mutual respect for each other's pain and everything. But yeah, people felt that कि अरे ये wall बहुत ज़्यादा है धनवंत की to break in.
Like there were two instances in the show. The first time when he says that uh, I don't know which one happened earlier, but there's
Yeah.
one time when he asks that I think your husband he knows what he's doing, kind of a thing.
हाँ. हाँ.
And the second time is like, "Ki, ma'am, are you okay?" So there was a very
Mm.
subtle nod, ki, kya, go mind your fucking business.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
he
now
was
my
surprised.
question to you: do you enjoy playing a rough cop or a lover boy?
Oh, fuck.
Hmm.
Rough cop, rough cop.
Acha, rough
Yeah,
cop.
I think the thing is, the point is that because I guess so we learn from our life experiences only, right? So
Yeah.
I've done the lover boy thing. It's been a while now. Now what's working for me with respect to my faculties, what gets me going is a complex character.
Yeah.
So I can't do a, goody two shoes boy
Uh,
anymore is what I feel.
and
But
you
I've
do it
enjoyed
so
doing
well.
that. So मैं एक और क्वेश्चन पूछता हूँ आपसे, नहीं तो मेरे एजेंसी वाले मुझे बहुत डांटेंगे.
Arey, nahi, nahi. Let the people ask us questions who've
Yeah,
just
yeah, let's
joined
do that.
in.
Let's do that. Yeah.
Yeah. Do
Anybody
you
got
have
any
any
questions?
questions for us? Brilliant work. Kavya.
I
When
just
is the sequel coming? Bhai, abhi to aaya hai.
exactly. Ask Sudeep that question.
Yeah, I
Oh, he's
know.
not on Instagram. Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Barun, stop moving, please.
Oh,
Okay.
okay, cool. I will listen to you. Yeah.
I'm
Okay.
actually in a very weird place.
I'm sitting on
Like
my
in dancing
massage
and
chair.
acting. How was it shooting with each other? Okay, I had a ball, and so I can vouch for the fact that so did Mona. And it was only not us two people. Actually, we had a brilliant, phenomenal set, very progressive, respect everyone kind of a place, ideal world, basically. So we had a great time.
So there is a question saying, when are you both acting again? And when will we see you both again? Oh, Jiggy boy. And what are your most memorable part of playing Garundi? Come on, Barun, that's your question.
Okay, so my most memorable part of playing Garundi was when I had to do a scene with my brother, uh, being played by Pradeep Chima Jung, remarkable actor, because it's just very difficult to stand toe to toe to. I feel very pressured when I'm working with him. So the scene where he Garundi confronts his brother and asks him, "Ki, what did you achieve from doing all of this?"
Yeah.
That was yeah.
That scene really hits hard, man.
Right. That was, and you
Wow.
kind of make a roadmap in your head. If you're
Yeah.
a sensible actor, I'm not that I'm calling myself sensible, but generally, you like gone are the days where where every frame you gonna shine, and you want to, because it does a lot of harm to the storytelling. So
Yeah.
you have to know ki, what are my scenes. I have to make a roadmap in your own head that this is where I have to really, really work well. So that was on my mind from the starting, and he did it so well that
Yeah.
I had to rise up to the occasion, which I was not able to do. I think.
Oh, please.
No,
Please,
he
don't
was
say that.
remarkable. He's
Of
just,
course he's remarkable, but not taking away the fact from you too. Ah.
yeah, somebody
And
said,
then there are
why
people
you
asking
be
us.
an old man? Because I am old.
No. There are people asking us how were the workshops, how did you prepare? Well, the workshops were pretty intense, yeah, and I think that's what got us going from, the word go, because इतनी intense थी हमारी workshops just to trying to understand all the layers of every character.
Yeah.
And yeah, it just helps because we weren't just reading scripts out there. We were heavily involved in understanding them too. So it was very important to create that because I think workshops give us the luxury of time to understand the character better. एक बार
Yeah.
set पे जाओ तो you cannot waste time on understanding the character and all. Then you have to be it. Yeah.
Yeah, and shout out to Nitin Goel.
Yeah, Nitin Goel, big shout out.
Yeah, and made everybody howl and cry because he went
Totally.
deep into our lives.
Okay, somebody is also asking how was it shooting in Punjab for the two of us?
Oh, it was terrific. Remember that day when we were shooting in the house and the woman was making us.
Oh yeah,
Pronte.
Pronte.
Oh,
My God, you know
and remarkable, so good.
That's what I love about Punjab. It's the hospitality. आप किसी के भी घर चले जाओ shoot करने, they will never let you go without eating and having a good
They
time
just
with them.
open up their arms, yeah.
Yeah. तुम गरम गरम मूली के और आलू के परोंठे बन रहे थे for all of us.
Yeah,
And you were hogging.
Yeah, and condiments.
Yeah.
It was very nice.
And
Varun said, "वो movie, okay. Love your accent, मेरा accent का."
अच्छा होता ही होगा कोई तो accent. You both
Okay,
are
I thought it was-
amazing.
अच्छा, I thought,
Please share BTS वाली मस्ती on sets. यार ये सेट ना थोड़ा ऐसा था कि काम के वक्त काम ही होना है. It's like
मस्ती
set
बाद में करते थे.
मस्ती हम लोग पैकअप के बाद करते थे because then you break out of your character and it's time to chill. But the best thing I'll tell you that 12 घंटे शूट करने के बाद भी we all used to look forward to being with each other after
Each
backup.
other, yeah. That's
Yeah.
true.
Yeah.
And we had a great time, yeah.
Yeah. And Gunjite, he made it even more special.
Yeah.
Olomi made it even more special. It was just beautiful to just be there.
Yeah. I don't think but it also happens now after a while. Like you can't make friends,
Mm.
and I think we found friends for life here, right?
Yeah.
And mutual. ऐसा भी नहीं कि
Yeah.
I don't want to hang out.
And can I share something? I don't know if it's very personal, but I would like to share.
Yeah.
So, I'd like to tell you all. अभी 2-3 दिन पहले वरुण का मुझे कॉल आया था and we were discussing the kind of love we are getting and Varun told me कि क्या हो रहा है क्या हो रहा है. I was crying in the room and I was like hey Bhagwan, I was also crying and I called my sister. I was like oh my God, this is crazy. So we both were so overwhelmed that समझ में नहीं आ रहा था क्या हो रहा है.
Exactly, yeah. I called Kashmir
Yeah.
that time and she was like, baby, it's okay, you deserve it and stuff like that. And, but yeah, I think we should take this opportunity and, just thank everyone.
Thank you all for
We're
watching.
really thankful and it really motivates us to, kind of listening to our gut and carrying on.
Really.
Everything we do, yeah.
And this is a show which will always stay with us, always, no matter what. Yeah.
Absolutely. मैंने लग गया बुलाना.
Okay. Chalo ji.
ठीक है. Thank you guys for joining in.
Thank you for joining in. Lots of love. If you haven't watched, go watch Kora now again.
You will not be
Again.
wasting your time.
Yes.
I
Lots
think
of
आपके
love.
आराम से करता हूँ.
Bye, Varun. See you soon.
Bye.
Bye, guys. See you soon.